speak English natively.
Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel, Easy English with Sarah and Tom.
Hello guys. Today we're going to learn how to talk about our daily life in English level A1, perfect for beginners.
Yes, you'll also learn how to ask and answer simple questions about your daily routine.
So listen carefully, repeat after us, and practice speaking English.
Let's start with the morning routine.
So Sarah, what time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. What about you?
I wake up a bit later, around 7 a.m.
Wow, you wake up late. What's the first thing you do after waking up?
First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. What about you?
I drink a glass of water before brushing my teeth. It helps me feel fresh.
That's good. Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I always make my bed. It makes my room look clean. Do you make your bed, Tom?
Sometimes. Not every day.
After that, I take a shower and get dressed for school.
I usually take a shower after breakfast. Speaking of breakfast, what do you eat?
I eat bread and fruit. Sometimes I drink milk too. What about you?
I eat eggs and toast, and I always drink tea.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I check messages and the weather before leaving home.
I don't use my phone in the morning. I just listen to soft music.
Nice. That's a peaceful start to the day.
Okay, now let's talk about school. What time does your school start?
My school starts at 8 a.m. and ends at 2:30 p.m. What about yours?
Same time. How do you go to school?
I go by bus. It takes about 15 minutes. How do you go?
I walk to school with my friend. It's fun and healthy.
What's your first class?
My first class is math. It's not easy for me.
I understand. My first class is English, and I really like it.
That's great. Who is your favorite teacher?
Mr. James, my English teacher. He's very kind. What about you?
My favorite teacher is Miss Lily. She teaches art. I love drawing.
What time do you have lunch at school?
At 12:30 p.m., I bring my lunch from home.
I eat in the cafeteria with my friends. We talk and laugh a lot.
That's fun. What subjects do you have after lunch?
After lunch, I have science and history.
I have art and English. I enjoy my art class the most.
What time do you go home?
Around 2:45 p.m. After school, I feel tired but happy.
Me too.
So, what do you do after school, Tom?
I go home, change my clothes, and eat some snacks. Then I play football with my friends.
That's cool. I don't play sports. I take a short nap after school.
You must feel fresh after that.
Yes, I do. What about homework? When do you do it?
I usually do my homework in the evening, after dinner. What about you?
I do it before dinner, around 5 p.m. I like to finish early.
That's smart. Do you study alone or with someone?
Mostly alone, but sometimes with my sister. You?
Alone. But sometimes I ask my dad to help with math.
Nice. What time do you eat dinner?
Around 7:30 p.m.
Around 8 p.m. I eat with my family.
After dinner, what do you do?
I read storybooks or watch YouTube videos.
I watch football matches or play games on my phone.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30 p.m.
I sleep earlier, around 10 p.m.
That's good early sleep, early rise.
So, Tom, what do you do on weekends?
On Saturdays, I wake up early for football practice. Then I meet my friends.
I wake up late, around 9 a.m. I clean my room and help my mom.
You're so helpful. I'm usually outside playing or watching a movie.
I love movies too. What kind of movies do you like?
Action and comedy. What about you?
I like romantic and animated movies.
Do you study on weekends?
A little. On Sunday evenings, I read or review my lessons.
Same here. I check my homework and pack my school bag.
On Sunday afternoons, I visit my grandparents. They always cook delicious food.
Wow, that sounds nice. I visit my cousins and play video games.
Lucky. My weekends are calm and simple.
Mine are busy but fun.
So, that's how we spend our days from morning till night.
Now, let's practice together.
Repeat after us. I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
I eat lunch at 12:30.
I do my homework in the evening.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Great job. You're learning fast.
Now tell us in the comments, what's your daily routine?
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and practice English every day.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.